Zinc oxide tape is one of the strongest tapes you can use in your first aid kit box. Here's how to tear it. You have to pull it apart like this, and after some tension, get between these peaks and tear down just like that. Once you've done that, you can then use the piece of tape. You should always measure and then tear the tape before you use it. Otherwise, it's going to be really difficult to tear the tape once you have it on a joint, such as your fingers. You can use this tape to stop a joint from moving, so to protect your ankle, your knee, your elbow, your wrist or your thumb, or even your fingers. And you can also use it to hold a dressing in place like this. And you should know that it's very sticky, so don't use it on sensitive skin or any skin that might be quite delicate or fragile, particularly in children or in older people. Instead, you should use a tape like this, which is paper-based. It's much thinner and it's a lot less sticky. Zinc oxide tape can also be used to help protect your skin and help blisters to heal and stop blisters from forming in the first place.